Hello guys, so we have a really nice plate today. So yeah, no words. So it's crabs. So I'm gonna show you the crabs plate, and I will give you a close-up shot. So yeah. So before I'm gonna start eating my meal, so I'm gonna show you what I have. So I have these equipments. So this is what I'm using to break the crabs. So and if something more heavier than this, so I have this. It's like hammer. So and I have a cutter. This one. So as usual, the stuff we have. Okay. So I'll show you crabs. Okay. So which I'm gonna choose? Yeah, I'll choose this one. Yeah, we have this one. This side and the back. So this is really a good experience. So I'm trying this for the first time. I used to eat a lobster before this, and I'm eating this for the first time. So yeah, so let's see. So yeah, you can see, and we have this plate. Yeah, you can see we have a few crabs over here on the plate. So yeah, let's start eating. So I have to break the crabs like this from the middle, so you can see the middle, it's white. I think this is what I'm gonna eat. So yeah guys, so this is what I'm gonna eat today, so you can see the middle part. So yeah, this side, right side and left side. So this crab has a huge stuff. I think these are legs. Yeah, this must be legs. So you can see. Let's see the taste. It looks good. You can see it's white. It looks like fish, you know. So I'm tasting this for the first time. So yeah. Yeah, it's good. It's really good. It's not like fish, but it's really good. I thought of like weird feelings about crabs. I had weird feelings like I don't know how to eat and all stuff, you know. It's good. Sorry, I'm using my own hand because I can make this stuff. I can took this off, bad stuff and stuff. So yeah, I'm using my own hand. Yeah, this is the middle part. You can see this is what I'm eating. Wow, it's really good. So let's see what we have inside of this. So yeah, I'm gonna use this cutter. I'm gonna use this one. Yeah, and then we need this. This is hammer time. So So you can see we have stuff inside of this. It's not that strong like lobster. Lobster was like next level strong, but this is not like that. You can see inside stuff up in there. So you have to be careful with it when you break this. You have to be very careful with these sharp tiny things. You can see. I think this one is a male crab. I hope so. I don't know what exactly it is. Yeah. So I'm gonna put this stuff to the dustbin. So yeah. So let's start eating second one. Let's take a huge one. Yeah, we have a huge one here. Yep, you can see. So I'm gonna break this one from here, from the middle part. Yes. So normally, you know, crabs is very expensive. So at least once in a while you have to try this. You need to try this. It's a really good protein, a lean protein, you know. I think my chef knows how to cook crabs properly. He got some skills. I think it's really good. You have to be very careful when you eat the legs part over here. When I saw the first time the plate, crabs plate, I was like, oops, how I'm gonna eat this today, what I'm gonna eat with this today. So first impression was like that, but now I think I'm enjoying the meal. My chef was right. He was like, okay, you eat first and then let's see what's gonna happen. Now I'm eating the second one. Let's see. It has a different taste. So it's really easy to eat this using your hands, so things won't get messed up. I'm gonna try this stuff now. Oops. So guys, be careful when you break these things. So yeah, things went up in my eyes, and thanks for the water, this extra water. So yeah, we have extra serviettes. I took extra serviettes because of this. Yes, I will show you. You can see it's not that big, but it's tiny stuff. Taste is different, better than the middle one. It's different. Yeah, let's take another one. This is third one. Yeah, this one. This one is huge. You can see. Okay, let's break it. The sad thing is we have small thing inside of this. We have like very small flesh, very small meat inside of this. That's the saddest part. What to do? So we need more extra fat, big crabs to eat more meat. I think with my beard, it's easy to eat this stuff, you know. When I was having a long beard, I can't even eat stuff. It's all over my beard, but I can enjoy meals without my beard properly. So I'm gonna use cutter this time to eat the leg part. You can see gravy. It's inside of the legs. So yeah, my chef has big confidence about the meal. So yeah, thank bro for the confidence. Yeah, I'm trying the fourth one now. Yeah, this is fourth one. No, I need a huge one. Yeah, this one. It looks really huge. You can see. Oh, I know how to bake it properly. I have experience. I think after a long time, I had really good meal. I mean it. And this one healthy also. It's really healthy. So normally when we need lean protein, I eat fish and stuff, you know, tuna, salmon and healthy stuff. This one really healthy. It's really good. It's really spicy. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 more left. I'm thinking to eat or not. Yeah. Let's have one more. Yeah, last one. This one or this one. This is my last one, so I'm gonna choose a bigger one. Yeah, this one. It's huge. No, it's a huge one. I know my crew having a bad time watching this when I'm eating. I'm enjoying the meal, but they're like, oh my god, yeah, I know the feeling, boys. Sorry for that. But you can try this behind the scene. So yeah, I really love tomato, but this time I forgot to eat tomato. Yeah, let's eat one size. So now it's complete. So guys, I had a really good experience today. It's a really good experience, better than a meal. So yeah, I had a really good meal. So we had a crabs plate. It was delicious, super yummy. So no words to explain the taste. It's really good. So yeah, so you can even try this at home. So it's really good. So yeah, this is the end. Please watch our videos. Thanks for watching our videos all the time. So yeah, please subscribe to our channel, share likes on our videos. We will see you on another delicious, super yummy episode. So until then, good luck guys. See you. Take care. Bye.